All right, guys, I'm about to show you my favorite wellness tool. All right? Follow me. This is it. Low 40s, freezing cold. This is the secret right here. No? Too cold? Smart dog. So this is without a doubt one of my favorite tools right here. Easy to install. It's super quiet. Fits anywhere. You can put it inside, you can put it outside. I've been loving this thing. It's my go-to right now. All right, let's go. First minute's a tough minute. After that, it gets a little bit better. You gotta enjoy the moment, enjoy the process, right? It's better than a cup of coffee, right?